Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nira, and this is the second video in the series about cPanel mail server. In the first video, I showed you how to set up cPanel and WHM DigitalOcean's VPS server. This is the second video in the series. Now we will install SSL, SPF, and DKIM. We will also install it on the domain and create an email. So we will cover these three things in this video. If you haven't seen the first video, watch it completely before watching the second video. All the details are available in the website link below. So first, when I logged into cPanel here, I am continuing from the previous video. In the last video, I told you that you have to connect this domain and this IP. So here I am in the DNS management of the domain. I have added the A record and put that IP here, connecting this domain and IP from here. I've also connected www because sometimes it's necessary for proper website functionality. If we run it, I have indexed it on www as well. So when I open it, look, my site is opening. Now we'll move on to the next steps. So I will copy this domain and go to a site called SSL for free. You need to go there, enter your domain, and click on Create Free SSL Certificate. After that, you have to click on Manual Verification. After clicking on Manual Verification, two downloads will appear here. You need to download both these files. And after that, you need to go to File Manager. After going to the File Manager, you need to create two folders. One is Well, and the other is .acme challenge. Inside that, you have to create this folder. So first, I create this folder, and inside it, I have to create another folder with this name. And inside it, I have to upload these two files which I have downloaded from here, okay? I click on Download SSL Certificate. Okay, our certificate has been created from here. So here you've got all the private key and CA bundle. After this, you need to go to SSL/TLS. And then go to Manage SSL Sites here. After that, select your domain, and then you have to copy this. I do this. Ctrl+A copy and paste it here. Again, I Ctrl+A copy the private key. Go to private key and paste. And lastly, the C8 bundle. Ctrl+C or click paste and install certificate. The SSL certificate is now being installed. The SSL certificate has been installed. After that, we'll set up SPF and DKIM, but before that, we will create an email. So here I go to the home page, then to cPanel's home, and here I click on email accounts. And I create an email. From here, I set the email as admin and I set the password here. I set the mailbox quota to unlimited here. Now I create this and click on Create. Okay, so your email has just been created. After that, you need to come here and click on Connect Devices. When you click on Connect Devices, you will get the details of your SMTP server. This is the username. The password is what you entered while creating the email, and the outgoing port is your SMTP port 465. This is the SSL port. So this you can use as your SMTP server, and there's no limitation on it. After that, there's a webmail client. So here you will click on Check Email. Then you'll see round cube here. There are two options. So you open the default one, I click on it, and it opens. Round cube has opened. Now I'll send a test email. I click on Compose. And here in the section, I enter an address and write something like this and send it. So the mail has been sent. Now I refresh. I check in spam to see if it has arrived there. Your email has indeed come in the spam folder. Okay. So after that, we'll talk about SPF and DKIM. For this, you need to click on Email Deliverability in the Email section here. When you click on this, your domain name will appear here. You have to click on Manage. So here you will find all the settings. Here, some error is coming. This error is coming because your domain is managed elsewhere. It's also showing its name here because you're using a domain from another registrar, so its site is showing here. If I had put the name server there, I would not have gotten this error. So first of all, I'll add the SPF here. It's saying that you have to add this txt record, and you have to keep this value there. Okay, so first I refresh it because it gets logged out again and again. So I select txt from here, I set TTL to 1000 and keep the value here. I'll also select DKIM here. Let me show you. If I do it, then type txt here, select txt type. I paste it here and keep the name here by default. You don't have to copy this domain. I'll copy it completely for a second. Then I will add this domain, add it from here, OK, and after that I will click on Save Changes. As soon as you click on Save Changes, all the records have been saved. OK, so this is all I've covered in this video, the three main things. Now in the next video, we will test what we have done so far. We will do it on WordPress. We will test the setup, how the server that we have made works, and you have just installed DKIM. Now you will see something about it. Did you get the result or not? Because the email you just sent is common spam, okay? So I will cover that in the next video. And friends, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel because very valuable content is coming about email marketing, WordPress, and many other topics. So friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and